Viewers, the focus is on the big story after the air traffic controller lost contact with an AN-24 passenger plane carrying around about 50 people in Russia's Far East. The debris of the plane has reportedly been found in the country's Amur region. The debris belonging to the Russian passenger plane has now surfaced. My colleague Arzu Seth is joining me with the latest updates on this. 5 children, we are learning, are among the 50 on board in the missing plane in the east, where the Russian passenger plane has gone missing as well. Now, Arzu, as you join me live on the telecast, what more latest details are you able to fetch right now at this point of time as plane goes missing? What is the latest update?
Well, the debris and the wreckage of the Russian passenger aircraft that went missing earlier today, in the country's far east in Russia, has located in the Amur region. This is what we are getting to know from the reports, and also the Antonov, AN-24 plane operated by Siberia-based Angara Airlines disappeared from radar while en route to the town of Tinda near the Russia-China border. And it was also being told that it was carrying around 50 people, including 5 children and 6 crew members, as an initial reports by the Amur regional governor. And if we talk about the Russia's emergency military, it stated that the number of the people on board may be slightly lower, closer to 40. But yes, definitely it's a matter of concern, as now what we are getting to know from the reports that the wreckage of the Russian passenger aircraft that went missing has been found, but still we need to wait for the official confirmation. Also, the search and the rescue teams had been deployed immediately, after the contact was lost, to search the aircraft and also to discover the aircraft, it was carrying the, around 50 passengers. So it's still, there has been a concern about the safety of the passengers, because there has been no information as far as the passenger is concerned, but no official confirmation yet regarding the survivors or the exact cause of the incident. And authorities are stated that emergency personnel have been deployed at at any situation, if any situations occur. So definitely AN-24 through a workforce of regional aviation in Russia is an aging model that has seen safety concern in recent decades. What we're getting to know, full investigation will be done regarding the incident, but as of now, the concern remains the same about the safety of the passengers, as what we are getting to know, the wreckage, debris of the Russian aircraft has been found. Yes, Simran.
All right, Arzu, thank you very much for sharing the latest information now that you're also gathering. And we move forward with the latest breaking special